first thing we're gonna do is find the key. And the key is always taped right up top here. And just so I don't lose it, I just put it right in the door. So Greg's got the hinge side. So we're both gonna lift together. Greg's gonna put the bottom in. Hold on, come back your way. There it is. Okay, so we got a gap on the bottom now, but we got a bit of a gap on the top. Now up top, there's a screw up here and it's an adjustment pin. So me loosening this off is gonna lower this side of the door down. Me tightening it up is gonna move this side of the door up. The one thing you really wanna be careful about is when you're tightening it up, you're putting a screw down and it's gonna start hitting that glass. So you don't wanna tighten it all the way. So if you're finding that your door is not sitting square and you got it quite tight, then maybe you have to readjust somehow by moving your door frame. So I'm gonna back this off quite a bit. I get a piece of wood, rubber mallet, and I just gently. Okay. Yeah, we've got her in. Like I say, be patient with this process. We don't want, you don't want to rush this because this is sort of a finished product and you want it to open up nice, just like so. And a big thing is try your lockout. That's pretty smooth. If you feel rubbing and stuff, then you need to go back to the drawing board, readjust. But I think we're ready for the next step. Okay, the next step is we're gonna install the handle. Don't need this right now, but what you're gonna need is an Allen key set and like a flat bar or a slotted screwdriver, fairly hefty one. And the package you're gonna get is a door handle package like this, and one set will have Allen key marks on it. Okay, the first handle we're gonna grab is the one without the Allen keys, and that's gonna go on the outside of your door. I take my pins, push them through, and I just start with the top. Just thread it in a little bit, then evenly thread in your bottom. And once you got it kind of threaded in, I just sort of push it in tight that way. And then I tighten these up. I do a few turns on the top, a few turns on the bottom, just sort of evenly thread them in. And you want this fairly tight. I'm gonna grab my Allen keys and the inside handle. I just wanna back these Allen keys right off. And sometimes these are a little bit fussy to go on. But you just give it a good, and that looks fairly tight there and there, so we're all good to go. And then we tighten up the Allen keys. Now we have a handle on.